What are the main factors contributing to the rising cost of the Iran war? Costs are soaring and uncertainty around the war's end is growing, making it critical to understand what's driving this financial surge. The cost of the Iran war is rising sharply, driven by extended military operations and complex mission requirements. According to recent reports, billions more are being allocated as the conflict drags on. The uncertainty over when the war might end, amplified by statements from former President Trump questioning the war's conclusion, contributes directly to prolonged expenditures. This extended engagement means more resources, personnel, and equipment are necessary, pushing the financial toll even higher. A significant factor in the rising cost is the political uncertainty surrounding the war's conclusion. Former President Trump has publicly cast doubt on the possibility of ending the conflict anytime soon, which discourages efforts to scale back spending or negotiate a resolution. This uncertainty leaves military and financial planners without a clear horizon, resulting in sustained or even increased funding to maintain operational readiness and strategic positioning in the region. The longer the Iran war continues, the greater the strain on military resources. Troop deployments need to be maintained or increased, costly equipment requires upkeep or replacement, and logistical support must be intensified. This extended demand on resources inflates the war's cost dramatically. Each additional month of conflict means sustained salaries, benefits, and operational expenses for the U.S. military, contributing directly to the ballooning financial burden. The Iran war's rising cost isn't limited to direct military spending. The ongoing conflict and its uncertain timeline affect global oil prices and economic stability, which in turn influence the U.S. economy. Heightened tensions in the Middle East often lead to volatility in energy markets, increasing costs for consumers and businesses alike. These indirect economic consequences add pressure on the government's budget and the overall financial landscape. Looking ahead, the absence of a definitive exit strategy means the rising cost of the Iran war will likely persist. Policymakers face increasing pressure to negotiate an end or alter the mission to manage expenses. The financial strain on the federal budget and political debates about the war's purpose are intensifying. Until there is clarity on the war's conclusion, the U.S. will continue to allocate significant resources to sustain its operations in Iran. What this means for you is that rising war costs could impact government spending priorities, potentially affecting taxes and funding for domestic programs. Staying informed about the Iran conflict helps you understand how these global events ripple into your daily life. Subscribe now to keep up with critical updates and what they mean for your future.